Okay, guys, this is a bond hearing for I don't know if she's on YouTube or not, but she's on TikTok and um Facebook. And she on live stream went into the property where she thought that Jarvis Butts had his shop. Um well, she was arrested and this is her bail situation happening. Okay. Let's take a look at it. I don't know if I have, she might have taken all that video down. It probably would have been wise to do that, especially now since she's got a pending court case. Um, let's get into it. This is not going to last long. Um, Here we go. She's over there in the Detroit City Jail, and this is Magistrate William Burton. Okay, it's getting ready to get popping right now. Here we
What is your
go.
name, ma'am?
Samisha Young.
All right, Ms. Young, you have some traffic matters and what you failed to appear in court for. As a result of your failure to appear, warrants for arrest were issued. The court's going to set aside these arrest warrants, give you a personal bond, and each of these misdemeanor matters occurs a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you. You have the right to an attorney. You can't afford an attorney. One will be appointed for you. The tickets are P1362409 in proper plates.
Apparently, she has various
No insurance misdemeanor. And
traffic
ticket
situations.
X4267367, driving out any insurance and no valid plates. Pre-trial will be March 4th in front of Judge King. Now to your main matter. Calling case number 250-555-6001. Houston, Michigan versus Tanisha Young. Appearances, please.
Samuel A. Reagan for the people.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Shamisha Young. McLean waives the right to the formal reading and was advised to constitutional right to stand mute.
Court will enter not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Young. Bond recommendation from the people.
Who are asking for $5,000 personal bond?
No objection, Your Honor.
$5,000 personal bond, Ms. Young. Stay away from the Connor address. Stay away from that car wash. The report indicates that you were live streaming this allegedly on Facebook Live. Why anybody want to do that is beyond me. Be that as it's may, probable cause February 6th, preliminary examination February 13th, both in front of Judge Jefferson. Step aside, ma'am.
Thank you. Samuel A. Reagan for the people.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Shamisha Young. McLean waives the right to the formal reading and was advised.
Okay, we're just going to hear it one more time.
Court will enter not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Young. Bond recommendation from the people.
Who are asking for $5,000 personal bond?
No objection, Your Honor.
$5,000 personal bond, Ms. Young. Stay away from the Connor address. Stay away from that car wash. The report indicates that you were live streaming this allegedly on Facebook Live. Why anybody want to do that is beyond me. Be that as it's may, probable cause February 6th, preliminary examination February 13th, both in front of Judge Jefferson. Step aside, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yo, the judge is so procedural. He just kind of got her in, got her out, and step aside, ma'am. I don't understand why you would want to be doing that, ma'am. Look, that person who was just there, her name is Mimi on the Facebook streets, and she was I don't know. I'm going to be honest with you. It's a lot of shenanigans going on Facebook as it relates to the Naziah Harris. So if you're watching it and you know who she is, you know what's going on. I can't even put a whole lot to it because I hadn't really been watching her content. I did see the video when she broke into the abandoned building, looking for extra clues and looking for stuff. And whatever she made on those videos, she's going to have to put up on some damn bond now. I don't know. 5,000 bond probably means $500 or 750. It depends on, they're 10, 15%, and you don't get that money back. That's money in the wind. And she made, I don't know what she made off of it. She may have, I mean, look, not my problem, but ma'am, whatever ma'am made, some of it's going to paying for a bond at this moment, right? So I don't know. Just a bad idea, right? Bad idea. And I'm sure she's having some time now to reconsider what needs to be reconsidered, which is, stick to the script. And the script is your car, your office, your place where you can record content. Everybody can't go on field trips. And if you're going to go on a field trip, go on a safe field trip. Go on a field trip that means something and is not going to get you arrested, put you in danger, also jeopardize the hard work of law enforcement, and also potentially bring additional pain to the family and the victim. That's all I got to say on that. So that's that on that. And I'm sure we'll see. I mean, this is not over. So she's going to have a case. She has a burglary, a B&E, burglary and entry. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So she has a B&E now. This is serious. You're out with the shits and the shenanigans. And at the end of the day, now you have a case. It's costing money. It's a record. You also were out here driving dirty, according to the earlier charges. And you got to pay all this money, which she needed to pay the money anyway on those tickets. But girl, a mess. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Tell me what you think down below. What a waste of time and money and all of that. If you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. Make sure to subscribe to this channel or follow this channel. Make sure to set your notifications to all so you can always be notified every time I post a video, go live, everything. And I will see you in the next video. You want to hear a little bit more again before we leave out? Girl. Ooh.
What's your name, ma'am?
Samisha Young.
All right, Ms. Young, you have some traffic matters in which you failed to appear in court for. As a result of your failure to appear, warrants for arrest were issued. The court's going to set aside these arrest warrants, give you a personal bond, and each of these misdemeanor matters carries a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you.
Let me just say one thing real quick, which that went right over my head initially. She had a failure to appear. She's lucky she's getting a bond, even though those were failure to appear on traffic violations. Sometimes some judges' failure to appear means no bond. Now, obviously, breaking and entering, she doesn't have a history. She's there with a lawyer. Obviously, it went okay for her. But girl, them failure to appears are no joke. And get another failure to appear now that you're ratcheting up the severity. Traffic tickets are like your entry level, interaction with law enforcement. But now you got something else. Failure to appear again and see what happens. Okay. A mess.
You have a right to an attorney. You can't afford an attorney. One will be appointed for you. The tickets are P1362409 and proper plates. Driving on registered motor vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket X4267367. Driving without any insurance and no valid plates. Pre-trial will be March 4th in front of Judge King. Now to your main matter. Calling case number 250-555-6001. Houston, Michigan versus Tanisha Young. Appearances, please.
Samuel A. Wagner for the people.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Shamisha Young. McLean waives the right to the formal reading and was advised her constitutional right to stand mute.
Court will enter not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Young. Bond recommendation from the people.
People are asking for $5,000 personal bond, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
$5,000 personal bond, Ms. Young. Stay away from the Connor address. Stay away from that car wash. The report indicates that you were live streaming this allegedly on Facebook Live. Why anybody want to do that is beyond me. Be that as it's may, probable cause February 6th, preliminary examination February 13th, both in front of Judge Jefferson. Step aside, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.